You've seen him in movies and TV, and everywhere during Halloween. But that doesn't mean people always get his name right. This isn't Frankenstein. This is. This guy? That's Frankenstein's monster. And that's not the only thing that we get wrong about Mary Shelley's iconic creature. If you look in the book, his skin is described as yellow and translucent. So why, whenever we see him, is Frankenstein's monster green? Early-stage adaptations of Frankenstein featured monsters who were everything from green to blue to white. But we have Hollywood and the limitations of early film to credit for the creature we recognize today. For Universal's 1931 adaptation of the classic horror novel, makeup artist Jack Pierce gave the monster his iconic blocky head and neck bolts, a look that Universal copyrighted, which is why sometimes you see versions of the monster that look like this. Another thing Pierce did was paint actor Boris Karloff's skin a grayish green. But why, if in tons of promo images, Karloff didn't look green at all? Until the 1920s, orthochromatic film was the industry standard, and it was sensitive to blue and green light. That meant those colors appeared lighter on film, making blue skies turn white, while anything red or pink like skin appeared dark. Studios compensated by using heavy makeup, correcting red skin tones by applying blue, green, or gray grease paint. But not everyone got the same amount of time in the makeup chair, which is why in old movies, leads look normal, while extras look darker. In the late 1920s, a different kind of film called panchromatic became cheaper and more popular, solving many of the issues of orthochromatic film. But even though it introduced more shades of gray, panchromatic films still had some limitations. Some colors, like blue and red and blue, green, and orange, still read very similar. Just look at these objects. These two have the same gray value, making them look the same in black and white, even though without the filter, they're very different colors. And while skin tones don't look as dark, to capture that pale, corpse-like skin Frankenstein's creature is supposed to have, a layer of gray-green paint does the trick. Eventually, the popularity of Technicolor shifted the industry's focus to capturing vivid colors rather than carefully calibrated shades of gray. But extreme makeup and props picked for their gray value continue to be used for decades, thanks to the limitations of black and white TVs. Just look at the bright colors of the Addams Family set, which turned spooky when captured in black and white. As for Frankenstein's monster, the 1931 film and Pierce's iconic makeup design launched a film franchise and turned the monster into a pop culture staple. As color creeped onto screen and images of Karloff in his green face paint emerged, Hollywood, as it's done so many times before, made its own mythology.